protein shake for rebuilding after workout, or you can just do this for breakfast like I'm doing right now. I'm going to take coconut water. And I've got about half a cup, and then I'm going to use ice for the rest of the liquid. Remember, I use the increments on the side to measure. So, I really like to break this big block of ice up. I'm going to. I got the hot water on. Got it. Okay. All right. So we got the big ice block. 2 scoops of protein mix, protein powder. This is a plant-based one. Not my favorite one, but it's expired and I'm trying to use it up. I'm not trying, I am. So there's 2. It's all plant-based. It's from Orthomolecular. Okay. This is actually David Beckham's recipe for a protein shake after he does his workout. And then I'm going to do 2 bananas. This is what he does, which is a lot of bananas. My fiance is probably going to be mad that I ate the last 2 bananas. And then we're going to use some of this delicious almond butter. Okay, I love this kind. I don't know if it's almond or peanut. I'm thinking, no, it's peanut. I freaking love that stuff. Okay, here we go. I know. I know it. The dog does not like the mixer. And here we go. I'm going to put it in. I actually like putting it in here. Banana-y.